Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Colonial mortgage account. If you want to log in and manage your Colonial mortgage account, the first thing to do is to open your preferred web browser. Inside the URL box at the top, type in gocolonial.com and press enter on your keyboard. Colonial Mortgage is a financial service company that offers home loans and mortgage servicing. To log in and access your mortgage account, go to the Mortgage Servicing tab from the main homepage. Now, scroll down and click on Pay My Mortgage. You will be taken to a new page from where you'll need to choose the login option under Login Your Account. In the login page, enter your username and password. Type in your correct information, and if you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking Reset My Password link. Once you provide the correct information, click on the next button to access your mortgage account. Once you are logged in, you can now check your balance, make a payment, or review your account information. That is how you should be able to log into Colonial mortgage account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.